everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to adjust your volume in smaller increments on your Mac. As you can see, when I press the normal F12 and F11 volume buttons, then they will go down and up according to the default increments. However, some people find that these increments are way too broad, so I'm going to show you how to adjust your volume in lower increments. So what you want to do is press Option, Shift, and then just press the lower or heighten volume buttons. So as you can see, instead of just one whole level down of volume, you can adjust it by pressing Option, Shift, and then the lower or upper volume. It's going in lower increments. So I hope this tool helped you. This is very useful for people who find that the default volume adjustment is way too broad on Mac. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.